Key West Tower, velocity 55 Alpha Juliet, checking in, descending through 2000, inbound for landing.
5 Alpha Juliet, Key West Tower, suggest a heading of about 310, and you'll be number 3.
310, number 3, 55 Alpha Juliet.
38 Hotels on the visual 9.
38 Hotel, Roger, runway 9, clear to land, the wind is 090 at 10.
Clear to land, 3 Hotel.
Where are we going, Cuba?
5 Alpha Juliet, you can turn the right base now and look for traffic ahead and to your right, about 2 miles off the west shoreline inbound. It's a King Air.
Looking for that King Air. Is that one behind? 55 Alpha Juliet.
Oh shit, look at the sharks.
Sorry, say again, please.
Am I behind that King Air? Is he number 2?
Sir, you be following the King Air. Let me know when you have him in sight.
We'll advise on setting the King Air. 55 Alpha Juliet.
Number 2 Delta Mike, remain this frequency, turn right on.
Alright, here we go.
6 to the ramp.
Don't make too much noise. Look for a fucking King Air out here. There's supposedly another twin engine airplane. So, gas.
5 Alpha Juliet, the King Air is now ahead and to your right about a mile off the west shoreline at 1,200.
Still looking for that King Air. I don't see him, but we'll advise. 55 Alpha Juliet.
Mile off the west, he said. Key West Tower, good afternoon, 65278 Keys visual 9.
27 Yankee, Roger. And continue present heading for your base leg and turn the final height on that.
Coming in right now.
Following traffic heading to your right. It's a
helicopter.
He's on the right base also.
We're looking for that traffic and we'll maintain present heading and turn the final.
I don't see any of these motherfuckers out here. He should be
Key West Tower, there's one coming in. 4011, Yankee to Tampa.
So wings 4011, Roger, stand by.
Pat, what do you got behind you?
5 Alpha Juliet, you can turn the final. Facing is good, just reduce your final approach speed. Number 2, clear to land runway 9er. The wind is 100 at 12.
Reducing my speed, clear to land 9er, 55 Alpha Juliet. God, I love this post.
27 Yankee, your traffic is turning final now off to your right, about a mile and a half off the west shoreline.
Traffic on the side, 27 Yankee.
Number 27 Yankee, follow that traffic. Number 3, runway 9er, clear to land. The wind 100 at 12.
Clear to land number 3, 27 Yankee.
Climb.
Silver Wings 4011, you're clear to the Tampa National Airport via radar vectors car new, then as filed, maintain 16,000, Navy departure frequency 124.02, squawk 4654.
Rudders are working.
Radar vectors car new, and it's filed, 16,000, 124.02, and 4654. Silver Wing 4011.
Wing 4011, read that correct, and advise ready taxi.
Mixture's rich, pump is on.
We're ready to taxi, Silver Wing 4011.
Silver Wings 4011, runway 9er, taxi the Alpha.
9 Alpha, Silver Wing 4011.
What's that? Little private island? Yeah.
Where?
Oh, they're all over. Is that my private island?
Number 38 Hotel, remain this frequency, turn right on Delta, right on Alpha, left at Alpha 6 to the ramp.
Delta Alpha, Alpha 6 with you, 3 Hotel.
Let's see those Vazzies. Okay, everybody get the seatbelts on and all that good shit?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Is that our baby right there? Right? Fucking, we're coming in. Red over white. We're good.
Yeah, the big piece of concrete's our place.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm on it.
Oh, yeah.
Locked in. Vegas, oh,
Key West, baby. Tower, Silver Wing, 40. Disregard.
Where can I get one of those?
Touchdown. You heard that, Andy?
Yeah, they like these. Zero problems.
That's Silver Wing 4011. They'll be ready for takeoff.
Oh, well done.
Nice job.
Silver Wing 4011, Key West, roger. Hold for landing traffic.
Holding short 9 at Silver Wing 4011.
5 Alpha Juliet, remain this frequency, and turn right there on Delta, then a right turn on Alpha, left at Alpha 6 to the ramp.
Right turn on Alpha with you, left on Alpha 6 to the ramp, 55 Alpha Juliet.
Yeah, that was pretty, Andy.
Done.
Come on, kids, we're drowning. There you go.
That fucking makes a
Yeah,
big difference,
baby.
doesn't it? Holy shit. Well done.
Thank you, West 545 Juliet 5.
What's that?
Number 545 Juliet Foxtrot, Key West.
I thought
Yeah,
you
we're
were
ready to taxi from Customs, and yeah, that first fix on the Alpha.
It's Carnu, Charlie, Alpha Romeo, November uniform.
Okay, Carnu, thank you very much. We'll get her.
Roger, you can exit the ramp at Alpha 11, taxi runway 9.
Okay, Alpha 11 and going to 9.
A couple chicks.
String air.
Nice dress. I got the
Juliet Foxtrot, give way traffic,
purple. What's
exiting
with the purple?
runway Delta.
Did we get some wind?
Roger that, we'll give away traffic.
Number 278, remain this frequency, taxi to the ramp via Delta, Alpha, Alpha 6.
Alpha 6 with you, 278.
Nice emerald. I like the purple. Yeah.
Silver Wings 4011 after departure, turn left heading 360, runway 9, clear for takeoff.
360, clear for takeoff, 9, Silver Wings 4011.